Makiria ma arimi 900 a mbembe aria maretereire na hiki kurihwo mbeca ciao no maguthie na mbere na gweterera thutha wa mutaratara wa marihi maya kuoya mwerekera mweru. Uũ nĩ thutha wa ministry ya kigina kuuga ati ni irekereirie makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1.4 cia kuriha arimi ta uria yeranĩire. Uũ nĩ thutha wa ministry ya kigina kuuga ati ni irekereirie makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1.4 cia kuriha arimi ta uria yeranĩire. Icera ritũ thito-inĩ cia bodi ya irio nyũmũ mwena wa Eldoret uronania ati gutire mihango ona iriku iguthiaga na mbere. Maya mahanikite guku mũmbunge wa Nandi Hills Alfred Ketel agikirira nganja wirutĩri wa thirikari wa kuriha arimi aya, akiuga kuri na ikundi ciũmbĩte ũndũ ũmwe na andũ kĩũmbe aria marenda kwĩguna na mbeca ici.
They were saying they are costs which were received from above, and they were receiving the maize at a very fast rate, and most of those brokers were paid promptly. The 7 billion that was paid, a huge amount of it, about 4 billion, went to the wrong hands. It went to the criminals who imported maize from Mexico and supplied to National Cereals and Produce Board.
It seems all the ministers now seem to be talking in the same script, where they are just losing a lot of lies. I also talked personally to the PS at Devolution, and he said the money was ready and they had cleared with the vetting, so it was only to roll the payment. So we want them to take farmers very, very seriously.
Oho Ketel ni augire angikorwo thirikari ndikuhingia kiraniro kiao gia kuriha arimi aya ni agutongoria mururungano wa arimi a mbembe mwambiririo wa kiumia twerekeire iri ta njira ya kuonania kwaga kuiganira.
If they will not pay, and I want to repeat that, we will mobilize farmers across the country to do a major demonstration. That is in Kitale, in Eldoret. We will close all the towns where the maize issues has been, where most farmers have been affected.
No na gukiri uguo mucemanio wa arimi uria umotafanio muthenya wa umuthi ndunathie na mbere guku arimi makionania marakara mao kumana na ciraniro itahingaga.
Kwa nini mnaharibu hii maneno ya kuchunga cereal, kupea wakulima phosphate na kulinda wao? We have enough land, Bwana Speaker. Yeah! We have enough land. Why should we go borrowing?
Mulipe pesa ya wakulima ile iliyopita.
Ica ikuhi minister wa urimi Mwangi Kĩonjũri marĩ na mũrunae wa utamburukia wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa ni maranĩrĩire ati arimi aya ni magukorwo makirĩhwo mbeca ciao kwambĩrĩria muthenya wa ira.
The government has already provided us with 1.4 billion to pay the farmers.
Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ arimi maguthie na mbere na gweterera ati muthenya umwe wa mithenya no makagunĩka kumana na thithino yao. Andũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Maina wa Mwangi.